The best tofu ice cream recipe, smooth, creamy, and vegan. Hey there, fast vegans. Are you ready to try something new? Today, we're bringing you the best tofu ice cream recipe. This vegan dessert is incredibly smooth, creamy, and easy to make. Plus, it's a fantastic source of protein, thanks to the addition of silken tofu. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 package, 12.3 ounces, silken tofu drained. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or any other plant-based milk. 3/4 cup granulated sugar or coconut sugar. 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. Here are some optional add-ins: vegan chocolate chips, crushed cookies, fresh fruit, nuts. Instructions. Your first instruction is to be sure to like the video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's keep going. In a blender or food processor, combine the silken tofu, almond milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no lumps remaining. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness if necessary. Keep in mind that the sweetness will be less intense once the mixture is frozen. Transfer the blended mixture to a lidded freezer-safe container. If you like to add any optional add-ins like vegan chocolate chips, crushed cookies, fresh fruit, or nuts, now is the time to fold them in. Be sure to distribute the add-ins evenly throughout the mixture. Cover the container and freeze for at least 4 hours, or until the ice cream reaches your desired consistency. To achieve a smoother texture, you can stir the mixture every hour during the freezing process. When you're ready to enjoy your tofu ice cream, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes before scooping and serving. This will make it easier to scoop and ensure the perfect texture. Now you have a delicious tofu ice cream recipe that's not only vegan, but also packed with protein. Feel free to experiment with different add-ins and flavors to make this recipe uniquely yours. Enjoy!